Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into a statement that sent shockwaves through the AI world. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT and DALL-E, has admitted that the benefits of AI might not be widely distributed. Yeah, you heard that right. Not widely distributed. So, the burning question is, are we headed towards an AI-powered utopia or an AI-driven dystopia where the rich get richer and everyone else gets left behind? Stick around, because we're about to unpack this bombshell and explore what it means for you, your job, and the future of our society. This isn't just about tech, it's about the future of humanity. Are you ready for this? Okay, let's break it down. Altman's comments, made in various interviews and public appearances recently, suggest a growing awareness within OpenAI that the AI revolution could exacerbate existing inequalities. He's essentially saying that the incredible wealth and power generated by AI might not trickle down to the average person. This isn't some conspiracy theory. This is the CEO of one of the most influential AI companies in the world acknowledging a potential problem. He's talked about the need for safety measures and ethical considerations, but the core message is clear. The benefits of AI aren't guaranteed to be shared equally. Think about it. Who owns the AI? Who controls the data? Who profits from the automation? These are critical questions we need to be asking. And honestly, I'm a little worried about the answers. So, what are the immediate effects of this admission within the AI development and research community? Well, the first thing we're seeing is a surge in debate. Researchers are now under even more pressure to address fairness, safety, and ethical concerns. Expect to see more funding and resources directed towards AI safety research, things like interpretability, making AI decisions understandable, and alignment, ensuring AI goals align with human values. This is crucial. We need to make sure AI is a force for good, not a runaway train. The discussions around the compute budget idea, a way to potentially democratize access to AI resources, will also likely intensify. It's a complex problem, but the conversation is finally gaining traction. Now, let's zoom out and look at the adjacent industries: technology, labor, and the economy. Immediately, we're seeing increased anxiety among workers, especially in sectors ripe for automation. Companies are scrambling to figure out how to reskill and upskill their employees. Investment firms are closely watching AI companies, trying to predict which industries will be disrupted and which will thrive. In the medium term, expect significant job displacement, particularly in routine or easily automatable tasks. We'll also see a surge in demand for AI-related skills, creating new job opportunities, but potentially widening the skill gap. This is a pivotal moment. Are we going to invest in our workforce and prepare them for the future, or are we going to let automation create a massive underclass? The stakes are incredibly high, but the biggest impact, the one that really keeps me up at night, is the socio-economic impact. Public awareness and concern about AI are skyrocketing. There are growing calls for government regulation and ethical guidelines. We're also seeing discussions about universal basic income, UBI, as a potential safety net to cushion the blow of AI-driven job losses. In the medium term, if the benefits of AI aren't widely distributed, we could see increased social and economic inequality. Imagine a world where a small elite controls all the AI and the rest of us are fighting for scraps. It's a terrifying prospect. We need to demand accountability from our leaders and from the AI companies themselves. This is not just a technological revolution. It's a social revolution, and we need to make sure it's a just one. Let's talk about the tech itself. Altman believes AGI, or artificial general intelligence, is on the horizon. But here's the kicker. He also admits that AGI systems won't be perfect. They might need significant human supervision and could be surprisingly bad at certain tasks. This is a crucial point. We can't blindly trust AI to solve all our problems. We need to understand its limitations and be prepared to step in when things go wrong. The risk is that we overestimate AI's capabilities and become too reliant on systems that are fundamentally flawed. Think of it like this. AGI is a powerful tool, but it's still a tool. And like any tool, it can be used for good or for evil. It's up to us to decide how we use it. Now, get this. OpenAI is planning to spend up to $500 billion on a massive data network. That's more than the GDP of some countries. This highlights the incredible data dependency of AI. Over-reliance on such a network could create a single point of failure and make the entire system vulnerable. And let's be honest, the sheer volume of data required for AGI is mind-boggling. It could strain existing infrastructure and raise serious privacy concerns. Are we willing to sacrifice our privacy for the sake of AI development? It's a question we need to answer, and soon. This isn't just about building a better AI. It's about building a sustainable and responsible AI ecosystem. Let's talk about the money. The AI landscape is becoming incredibly competitive. OpenAI is battling giants like Google's DeepMind and Anthropic. The business risk is whether OpenAI can maintain its competitive edge and capture a significant share of the market. They're aiming for $100 billion in revenue by 2029, which is an incredibly ambitious target. The risk is that they won't be able to generate enough revenue to justify the massive investments in AI development. And let's not forget their close partnership with Microsoft. Overdependence on this partnership could create business risks if the relationship sours. This is a high-stakes game, and the players are playing for keeps. It's going to be a wild ride to watch. But the ethical risks are the most concerning. AI systems can inherit and amplify biases present in the data they are trained on. This poses a risk of AI systems making unfair or discriminatory decisions. AGI could be used for malicious purposes, like creating autonomous weapons or generating disinformation. And of course, there's the elephant in the room, job displacement. The article suggests that AI could exacerbate economic inequality. The risk is that the benefits of AI are not widely distributed, leading to a concentration of wealth and power. We need to address these ethical issues head-on. We can't let AI become a tool for oppression and inequality. We need to ensure that it's a force for good. Altman himself acknowledges that OpenAI will have to make unpopular decisions regarding AGI safety. This suggests that there will be trade-offs between safety and other considerations, such as performance or cost. The risk is that these trade-offs are made in a way that prioritizes other goals over safety. We can't afford to cut corners when it comes to AI safety. The potential consequences are too severe. We need to demand transparency and accountability from OpenAI and other AI companies. We need to ensure that safety is always the top priority, even if it means slowing down development or sacrificing profits. Our future depends on it. And finally, let's talk about open source. Altman acknowledges that OpenAI has been on the wrong side of history regarding open sourcing its technologies. The risk is that a closed-source approach will limit public oversight and scrutiny of AI development. We need to push for more transparency in AI development. Open source allows for greater collaboration and scrutiny, which can help to identify and address potential problems early on. We need to ensure that AI is developed in a way that is accountable to the public, not just to a handful of powerful companies. This is about democratizing AI and ensuring that it benefits everyone, not just a select few. So, where does all of this leave us? Sam Altman's admission that AI benefits might not be widely distributed is a wake-up call. It's a reminder that we need to be proactive in addressing the potential risks of AI. We need to demand accountability from AI companies, push for government regulation, and invest in education and retraining programs to prepare workers for the future. The future of AI is not predetermined. It's up to us to shape it. We can choose to create a future where AI benefits everyone, or we can allow it to exacerbate existing inequalities. The choice is ours. Let me know what you think in the comments below. What are your biggest concerns about AI? And what do you think we should do to ensure that it benefits society as a whole? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI insights.